Discover how to make money if you are broke with this step-by-step guide. Feeling stuck in a financial rut, paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet? You're working hard, yet your paycheck seems to evaporate before you can even enjoy it. The thought of spending another day in this routine is exhausting. But what if I told you the solution lies within your own passions and hobbies? Stay until the end, because more than just reveal you how to make money if you are broke, I will give you the best side hustles that nobody talks about. How to turn any hobby into a profit. We've all been there. The anxiety of not having a stable job or feeling underpaid can be overwhelming. It's like being stuck in quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. But imagine waking up every morning, excited to dive into something you genuinely enjoy, something that not only fuels your passion, but also fills your bank account. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely possible. Sound too good to be true? Trust me, it's not. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process that will transform your beloved hobby into a profitable venture. Whether you're a skilled crafter, a wordsmith extraordinaire, or a whiz in the kitchen, there's a path to monetizing your talents. The first steps. Identify your hobby's potential. First things first, we need to pinpoint that one activity that makes you lose track of time. I'm not talking about those fleeting obsessions with knitting or collecting stamps, unless that's totally your jam. Nah, I mean that all-consuming passion that had you saying just 5 more minutes until suddenly it's 3 a.m. Maybe you're a modern-day Shakespeare, crafting worlds with the stroke of your pen that transport readers to magical realms. Or you could be the next Banksy, using the digital canvas to create jaw-dropping art that makes people question reality itself. Heck, you might even be a plant guru, working some straight-up magic to keep those greens thriving. Once you've locked in on your one true love, it's time for some real self-reflection. Look yourself dead in the eye and ask, what makes me so freaking special? We all have unique talents, and it's about time you started flaunting yours like there's no tomorrow. Are you a jewelry-making ninja, turning hunks of metal into wearable masterpieces? Perhaps you're a coding extraordinaire, with your keyboard as your instrument, composing digital symphonies that bring the tech world to its knees. No matter how niche or bizarre your skills might seem, there's a ravenous audience out there craving what you've got to offer. I'm talking everything from professional pet groomers to artisanal candle makers. If you can dream it, there's a market for it. The first crucial step is getting crystal clear on what your specific niche and offering will be within your hobby realm. Don't make the mistake of trying to be all things to all people. Drill down and define the particular aspect you want to specialize in. Whether that's a specific type of product, service, skill, or audience demographic. Niching down will allow you to laser focus your efforts and position yourself as the go-to expert. 2. Research your market. But before you start printing those open for business banners, you gotta do your homework. Immerse yourself in the online communities and forums dedicated to your obsession. Engage with your fellow enthusiasts. Soak up their convos, and take notes like a studious kid prepping for exams. This insider info will be your guiding light, helping you craft offerings that hit the bullseye. Oh, and don't forget to scope out the competition. They might seem like formidable foes, but a little healthy rivalry never hurt anyone, unless you're into full contact jousting or something. Study their tactics, pricing, and unique selling points, like a battle-hardened general plotting their next campaign. But don't just observe. Make notes on potential gaps and weaknesses you can improve upon to give yourself a powerful competitive advantage. With that knowledge under your belt, you'll be able to carve out your own slice of the market pie. 3. Validate your idea and create a plan. Now for the real fun part, turning that passion into serious cash money. The world is your oyster, my friends, with a smorgasbord of money-making strategies at your fingertips. Before investing significant time and money, you'll want to validate that there's a real demand for what you plan to offer. Get scrappy with tactics like building an email list to gauge interest levels, crowdsourcing feedback on your ideas, or even running an inexpensive beta test. Validating upfront will ensure you're not spinning your wheels on something the market doesn't want. 4. Create your offerings. With the important validation step checked off, it's time to actually create the products, services, or experiences you'll be selling. Whether that's manufacturing physical goods, developing a digital product suite, defining your service packages, or mapping out your educational curriculum, now is the time to put in the hard work and make it a reality. Don't cut corners here. Quality always wins. If you're all about creating tangible goods, Consider setting up an online store or getting involved with local markets and craft fairs. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and your own e-commerce site can act as virtual storefronts, showcasing your wares to a global audience. For those whose talents lie more in the service realm, there's a whole world of opportunity waiting to be tapped. Freelance writing, graphic design, virtual assisting, tutoring. You could even start offering classes or workshops to share your expertise with eager students. And let's not forget about the digital products. We're talking ebooks, online courses, printables, stock photos, you name it. Heck, you could even monetize a blog or podcast, building a loyal following of fans who can't get enough of your insights. Feeling adventurous? Why not explore the wild world of subscription models? Imagine curating a monthly box of goodies tailored specifically to your niche, delivering a delightful surprise to your loyal tribe on the regular. 5. Build your brand presence. But listen, building a successful biz isn't just about slapping a price tag on your skills. It's about creating a brand that resonates with your audience like a perfectly tuned guitar. Craft an online presence that oozes your unique personality, complete with a slick website and social media game that would make even seasoned influencers jealous. Engage with your fans, foster that community vibe, and let word-of-mouth marketing work its magic. 6. Pre-sell for momentum and advertising. One powerful way to validate your idea once more and build launch momentum is through pre-selling. Whether that means collecting pre-orders, crowdfunding, or offering interested followers a special pre-sale discount. Get people quite literally buying into your vision before you've even officially opened doors. You'll create excitement and ensure you have cash flow to reinvest. And don't be afraid to get creative with your promotional tactics. Influencer collaborations, email marketing blitzes, strategic partnerships. These could all be key ingredients in your recipe for success. Above all else, though, stay true to yourself and your passion. Deliver top-notch offerings with service so incredible, it'll have your customers singing your praises from the rooftops. Because at the end of the day, building trust and credibility with your audience is what it's all about. Treat them right, and they'll reward you with a life of passion-fueled prosperity. As promised, here are the best side hustles that nobody talks about and that maybe could be your favorite hobby. Flipping vintage furniture, urban farming, renting out your car, meal prep services, car tuning, YouTube content creator, drone photography, home baking business, personalized fitness training, podcast hosting. Just imagine it. Waking up every morning pumped for the day, doing what you love without dreading the start of the work week. Your passion is your paycheck, and the world is your playground. If you want to learn more from Millionaire Money Minds, subscribe and hit that like button for more. And check our channel to start making money today.